Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce the Brazilian Portuguese word limão. The correct pronunciation is limão. Once again, limão. Here's a fun fact. In English, lemon and lime are two different fruits, but in Brazilian Portuguese, both are commonly called limão. So if you want to say either lemon or lime in Portuguese, you could just say limão. But remember, the correct pronunciation is always the one that people can understand, so don't be afraid. Choose whatever is easiest for you. Let's say it one more time. Limão. You've got it! If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.